I'm Jason Courtney, president of CNC Foundations, your first choice in ground improvement. Today, we are at the completed site of a new logistics center in Oakley, California, where we previously completed ground improvement work. The project was built at a site where the soils consisted of a mix of loose sands and soft clays, extending to a depth of approximately 20 feet, with relatively dense soils below. Due to the high seismic hazard zone, the in situ sandy soils were very susceptible to liquefaction. At this site, it could have caused extensive damage to the structures during a seismic event. Therefore, we installed vibratory stone columns to densify these loose soils, reducing the risk of liquefaction and limiting the extent of the damage that an earthquake could cause to the proposed structure. Visit cncfoundations.com to see how we're building America one stone column at a time.